Welcome to this week's Southeastern Ohio Seller Tip. One of the questions I hear all the time is, should we have an open house? The answer may surprise you. Here in Southeastern Ohio, most homes don't actually sell because of an open house. They sell because they're priced correctly, professionally marketed, exposed online, and shown to qualified buyers who are working with realtors. Now, that doesn't mean open houses are bad. They can create additional exposure, generate interest, and occasionally connect us with a buyer who wasn't actively searching. But I never want my sellers to think an open house is the marketing plan. My job is to market your home every day, not just for 2 hours on Sunday afternoon. Professional photography, accurate pricing, online marketing, social media, communication with other realtors, and prompt follow-up with every showing are what consistently produce the best results. An open house can certainly be one piece of the puzzle, but it's never the whole picture. I'm Monica Fry with REMAX Real Estate Partners. If you're thinking about selling your home anywhere in Southeastern Ohio, I'd be glad to walk through your home with you and show you exactly how I'd market it at no obligation. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a future seller tip, leave it in the comments or message me.